This Excel workbook has 6 sheets. I can go through all these sheets and navigate through the tabs by clicking on each one. The currently selected sheet will always be bold-faced and highlighted in white. There's a few things that we can do with sheets. The first thing you might want to do is add a new one. You can do that by right-clicking on any sheet and choosing Insert, or clicking the plus sign all the way at the end. It's going to pop a new sheet in, and now I can rename it in the same way. I can either right-click and choose Rename, or I can double-click right where it says Sheet 1 and start typing. Maybe now it's a 6-year review, so I'll call this one 2015. Something else that we might want to do with our sheets is delete them. Let's say I've decided I need a 5-year review after all, so I don't need this one. I'll right-click on it and choose Delete. Because that sheet was empty, there was no data in it, I didn't get prompted with that usual, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" So it just went away. If I'm a visual person, I might want to change the color of these tabs. I can right-click on each sheet, hover my mouse over tab color, and choose a color for them. It's important to note that even when I change the color, the currently selected sheet will still be bold-faced and still be whitish. The last thing that I might want to do with a sheet is hide it. Let's say I don't want this 5-year review tab. I'll right-click on it and choose Hide. It instantly vanishes. It's not deleted, it's not gone, it's just hidden. To bring it back, all I have to do is right-click on any tab, and now I can choose Unhide. In fact, if there's no hidden tabs, then Unhide is going to be grayed out and I can't even click on it. So if you do see this option available, that's also a good visual cue for you that there's a hidden sheet or tab in there somewhere. I'll click Unhide, and if I have multiple tabs hidden, in which I certainly can, they would all be listed here, and I can choose what I want to unhide. I'll select it and click OK, and it's back, just like that.